Today, let us discuss the topic marketing management. The basic objective of any business is to earn profit so that the business organizations are going to engage either in trading activity, means buying something and selling the same for profit. Something here means the goods and services. And one more activity in which a business organization can engage is either production or manufacturing activity, that is converting raw materials into usable and sellable finished products and selling the same for profit. So one more activity is providing services, that is providing something which is not physically present but which can be felt, which can be used, and which can be provided, and by charging to that service a business organization is going to earn profit. All business activities will come within the purview of these three type of business activities. To earn profit, any business need to sell something. That something means either goods or services. Sale is the important activity from which the business receives revenue, and ultimately it results in either profit or loss. Every business must give importance to selling activity. In most of the business organizations, the activities results in incurring expenses. Only some of the activities results in receiving of revenues. Among that, the sale is the most important one. In connection with this, a businessman need to know about the market, marketing and marketing management, and other related aspects in connection with selling the goods and services. First, let us see the meaning of market. Market, it is a place where the seller and the buyer meet for exchange for some value or price or consideration. So market is a place. That place may be either physically existing place or a virtual place where the seller, the person or an institution who or which want to sell the goods and services, and the buyer, again the person or any institution who or which want to buy the goods and services, meet for the exchange of goods and services with some value or price or consideration. So that place we can call in the name market. Now let us see the definition of market. A market is defined as a sum total of all the buyers and all the sellers in the area or region. In that area and region, the value, cost, price of items traded or as per forces of supply and demand in a market. The market may be a physical entity or may be a virtual entity. So market includes the sum total of all the buyers and the sellers of a particular area or a region. In that particular area or region, the goods or services which are exchanged between the buyer and seller, so the value, the cost, the price, everything is depending upon the forces of supply and demand in that particular market. That market may be either a physically existing entity or a virtual entity. Now let us see the meaning of marketing. Marketing includes all the activities which provides needed products and services to the targeted consumers for a value which creates well-being, equality and peace in the society. So marketing includes all the activities. It may be either distribution of the goods and services, promotion activities, etc., etc. These activities are conducted through which it provides needed products and services to the targeted consumers. The targeted consumers may be a similar type of group of consumers like it may be students, it may be ladies, it may be patients, like that. So here goods and services are provided for a value which may be expressed in another name, that is the price of the goods and services. So because of conducting this activity, because of providing goods and services to the target consumers for a value, it is going to result in creation of well-being, equality and peace in the society, because the customers are going to get all the required goods and services in required quantity at reasonable price with the help of this marketing. Now let us see the definition of marketing. So marketing is the activity or set of different activities and set of institutions and various processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. So marketing basically it is an activity, either a trading activity or production activity or providing services, which results ultimately in sale of goods and services. And to conduct this activity there are presence of different type of institutions which are going to help to conduct this activity, like banks, insurance companies, transport companies, advertisement agencies, etc. And it also includes the different processes like making of the goods, packing of the goods, distribution of the goods and promotion of the goods. All these activities are conducted for the purpose of creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings, that is the goods and services that have value for customers, client, partners and society. Now the marketing management. Now let us see the meaning of marketing management. It is the art and science of choosing target markets, getting, keeping and growing customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. Okay, so marketing management is the art. Art means combination of different specialized skills or abilities which are acquired through continuous practice and enables a particular person to perform a particular activity most effectively and efficiently. And science means a proved facts which can be tested, and we are going to get the same result whenever we are going to conduct that particular tests. That is called the proved facts. So marketing management is the art and science of choosing target markets, either children, students, youth, ladies. The requirement of goods and services are different among these target markets or targeted consumers, and in the target markets getting, keeping and growing customers. So identifying the customers, motivating them to buy the goods and services and also increasing the number of customers in that particular target markets. This can be done through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. Here customer value means what the customers are expecting, the different type of utilities in the form of goods and services. By creating the same and delivering the same and giving the information about that particular goods and services to the targeted customers, so getting, keeping and growing different types of customers. So conducting of this by applying the proved facts and also by utilizing the different type of specialized skills, what activity we are going to conduct, that we can call in the name marketing management. Now let us see the definition of marketing management. Marketing management is the process of planning and executing the conception, pricing, promotion, and distribution of ideas, goods, and services to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organizational goals. Okay, so this definition says it is a process, that is combination of sequential activities of planning and executing the conception, that is what the customers or consumers are expecting, what utility they are expecting, what type of goods they are expecting, concepting that, assuming that, and converting that into reality, and fixing the selling price for the same, and also communicating the same to the targeted consumers about that particular product, and also motivating them to buy that particular product, and also distributing the same. Here it not only in the name of product, it may be in the form of ideas, goods, or services. Ideas may be, for example, Ola. So without owning the car, a person can travel every day in a car. Okay, in the same form, Swiggy, without going to the hotel, a person can have a delicious dish at the doorstep. Okay, just by paying some value. Okay, here distribution of ideas, goods, and services to create exchanges. So these ideas may be sold, these goods may be sold, these services may be provided for a particular value that may be expressed in terms of price, what is fixed to that goods or services. All these activities are conducted to satisfy the individual and organizational goals. Individual goals means the person what is expecting a particular utility in the form of goods and services, that is going to get, and he will get satisfied because of that. In the same manner, the organization for which purpose it is started, that is earning money in the name of profit, that goal also that organization is going to achieve by providing goods, ideas, services, etc. to the targeted consumers.